Greetings, my name is Nicholas. I'm here to present to you the website and admin portal demo for plumbing businesses that they can use for their service. Right here, we have a website. You don't really need to do anything. If you are using our bookservices.site subdomain, all you need to do is once you make payment, it is going to be ready for you and will notify you via email with your login details, as well as notify you via WhatsApp. Now, this is how the homepage is going to look like. You have your details here. Obviously, all these are customized. Your location is going to be customized. Your logo will be customized to fit your business name. And then we have your services. You can customize all this from your admin portal. If you are interested in us customizing it for you, you just need to let us know. We'll let you know how much it's going to cost, but you can do this yourself from your admin portal. Now, you can also see your testimonials. You can add more testimonials, remove testimonials from your admin portal as well. The next is up is products. The products you have, if you are selling pipes or faucets or WC or hose, you can put the products you are selling and how much you are selling them for. So whenever somebody comes to your website, they can give you a call requesting for those and you can deliver to them. All right, this is the CTA for people who are visiting your website that want to know more or about what you offer. Right, we have an about us page set up already that will be customized for your business. It is just going to make sure your business is represented. Obviously, this is the services where you can actually see the various services that you offer. Bear in mind, like I said, you can add and remove services from your admin portal. So this is very, very easy to do, and I'll show you the admin portal in a few minutes. Now, coming to the products, as you can see here in the products, this is where you can put in the products that you sell and the amount, obviously your SKU, and people can actually view the product and actually call you to confirm if it is available, or they can go to ask about this product and contact us to send a message which you are going to receive on your admin portal. So stay tuned as we move through the process. Now, on these services, I forgot to show you that if you click on view details, you can actually see everything about the service, like that is being offered, this description and this right here, and people can actually reach out to you. It's very straightforward, very easy. Now, gallery is where you can put in images of the work you've done. You can set this all in your admin portal as well. Coming to testimonials, I've also explained these testimonials in the home page, where you can actually set up your testimonials and display it on the website. Right now, we'll move to the next one, which is FAQ. This is straightforward, where people can see various questions that they need to fit for the website. Then we have already set up the legal pages, right, for you, so you don't need to worry about any of that. Now, the contact us page is also here with your details. Obviously, these details will be gotten from you during your onboarding, when you're putting in your details, and whenever somebody fills in this form, you would be able to see what they filled in the admin portal as well. Now, let's go over to the admin portal. Once you log in, this is what you're going to see. Your cash flow trend and your finance snapshot charts would be right here. What people are doing, the visits, your revenue and your expenses. You can set all of that right here. You can see all of that right there. I mean, on your analytics, you can actually see the visits you've had, what people visited on your site, where they came from. You can also put in your revenue, expenses, and your stock. So we'll go through them gradually. But before we do, I want to come over to settings right here. That's the first thing I want to show you. This is where you can actually update your business name, phone, any detail you want regarding what you do. You can update them here. Your logos and various images. Let's say you have your own images that you want to show. You can actually include that here, including your service area. It's very, very straightforward, right? So on the roles, if you have multiple people on your team, you can actually create multiple roles for them, where they can be able to access specific things. You just need to give them their login, not your login. I'll show you how to set it up here under administrators. Now when you come to administrators, you just need to create the name, email, the password for them, and assign the role to them. Once you click on save, provide them with their email address and their password, and they can log in and see what you've assigned to them already. You will have access to this demo portal, so you can go through it yourself and confirm that it works perfectly the way you want it. As we move and as we develop more features, it will be added into this demo and your own platform as well, so you can see them in real time. Now coming over to messages, this is where everybody that fills the contact us form is going to land, which is here. You'll be able to see them here and you'll be able to communicate with them here. Now coming over to testimonials, very straightforward. You can add testimonials for the work done. You can put in the customer name, the rating, and as well as the message. The rating is from 1 to 5. Now coming over to gallery, I've explained this one initially. This is where you can upload your images for your gallery and it is going to be visible there. Stock locations, this is where you manage your stocks. The location of your stocks, service van, main store. These are just examples for you. Purchase orders, this is also where you can record them. All these are just for recording, where you can record your suppliers, put in your expenses, how much you've spent. This is where the expenses come in, your sales, the payments, the receipts, invoice, and quotes. You can also download the receipts, invoice, and quotes and share with your customers. So in PDF format, you can actually download it in PDF format. It's very straightforward. Now these are where you can set your service categories and your product categories, because you would need it when you are setting your products and your services, right? So when you are setting your products right here, you'll be able to choose the category your products fall under, and when you are setting your services, you'll be able to choose the category your services fall under, right? So if you visit a customer, maybe an individual or a business, you can actually put your visits here, so you can be able to track the people you are visiting on the platform. And if you have multiple teams, you can assign who visited the business, the customer, and you can put it here so you can actually take notes. Now, and if you have a customer, this is where you put in your customer/buyers. You put in their details right here. It's very, very straightforward. Then coming to inventory, this is where you take stock of what you have, stock that came in, stock that actually went out, and make some adjustments as well. So that's basically it for the admin portal. It's not just an admin portal, it's an inventory management tool, it's a content management tool for your homepage, and it is a way for you to know whether your business is scaling, is growing, is profitable or not. You can track your full business expenses here. You can know your cash flow trend, how is money coming in, how is money going out. So it's way more than just an admin portal. It's a way of managing your entire plumbing business here. And this is just the beginning. This is just the version 1. As we keep building, we'll be adding more features into this. By the time you're watching this video, and by the time you are actually even using the platform, let's say you decide to come on board with us, you'll probably even be seeing way more features than are currently here in this video. So this is a demo video to give you an idea of what this is all about, and if you are interested, you know where to go to actually go and make your payment and actually have your bookservices.site website, you know, for you. Very simple, very straightforward. Mainly you make the payment, you have it. There is no delay, there is no immediately the payment is done, we will send you an email with your website. So that's basically it. I thank you very much for listening, and bye bye.